Welcome sa sip9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series about rational expressions, no? And kung sinusundan nyo itong series natin, ang pinag-aaralan natin ay ang pag-add at pag-subtract ng rational expressions. Sa previous video, pinag-aaralan natin yung paano ba mag-add at mag-subtract ng rational expressions whose denominators are equal, no? Or the same. No? And dito naman, paano naman yung magkaiba yung denominator. So for example, yung 3x tsaka 2, no? Masabi natin, we have to transform yung mga numbers tsaka mga variables in exponential notation. No? So since di naman natin kailangan dito, so 2 and 3, kukunin natin yung LCM ng 2 and 3, which is, I think, 6. No? Obviously it's 6. At yung x, no, isasama natin yung wala siyang kasama, no? So isasama din natin to sa LCM, meaning the LCM of 3x and 2 is 6x, no? So ibig sabihin, i-convert natin yung dalawang expressions na yan into expressions whose denominator is fx, no? So pag ito 6x, kung naalala nyo yung ginagawa natin sa fraction, i-divide natin to dito, no? And then we multiply the product dun sa numerator, no? So ang 6x over 3x is 2, no? So makakancel yan. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then 2 times 8 is 16, di ba? And then we have 6x divided by 3x. Oh, sorry, dito na tayo. 6x divided by 2 is equal to 3x times 1 is 3x. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, pareho yung denominator. Pwede na natin yan i-combine. So, isang fraction na lang siya o isang rational expression na lang siya. And then, yung numerator natin ay 16 plus 3x. Now, question, bakit natin sila kino-combine? No? It's the same as combining fractions when you add or subtract fractions. Halimbawa, 1/5 plus 2/5, no? Same denominator. So magiging, we add 1 and 2, magiging 3/5. So magiging isang fraction na siya. So in-add natin to, tapos naging isang fraction na siya. Kasi yung 16 plus 3x, since hindi naman sila similar terms, hindi natin sila ma-add kasi yung isa wala namang x, no? Yan yung ating pinakasagot na. This is our final answer. Okay? Next, we have 3a cubed b. No? Yung denominator nito, tsaka ito 2ab. No? So again, paano natin kinukuha? Yung 3 tsaka 2, nakuha na natin dito 6. Yung kanyang LCM. Yung a cubed at tsaka a, kung pag-aralan nyo yung previous video natin or napanood nyo, kukunin mo palagi yung pinakamataas na exponent, no? Kung pare-parehong variables. So a cubed, tsaka a, same yung variable na a, you get the one with the largest exponent. So a cubed, and then yung b, parehong may b, isa lang yung b na ilalagay natin. No? So meaning the LCM is 6a cubed b. And then 6a cubed b. No? So ito, i-divide natin ito dito. We divide. This is by division. And then, ang product, we multiply by the numerator. No? So para ka rin nag-add or nag-subtract ng fraction. So magiging 6a cubed b divided by 3a cubed b, no? So makakancel yan, 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 4a, no? So magiging 8a siya. Tama? Next, we have 6a cubed b divided by 2ab. 6a cubed b divided by 2ab. So makakancel yung b, 6 divided by 2 is 3. A cubed divided by a is a squared. So 3a squared yung sagot natin. And then 3a squared times 3a. 3a squared times 3a is actually 9a cubed. So minus 9a cubed. Okay? Next, paano na yun? So pwede na natin siyang gawing isang fraction. So magiging 8a, so magiging 8a minus 9a cubed over 6a cubed b. So tanong, ito na ba yung final answer? So kung mapapansin nyo, pwede natin i-factor out itong a. No? So pag factor out natin yung a, so matitira sa loob, magiging 8 minus 9a squared, no? Over 6a cubed b. No? So pwede tayo mag-cancel. I-cancel natin yung a at a cubed. Matitira dito a squared. So magiging 8 minus 9a squared over 6a squared b. Okay, so wala na tayong pwedeng i-simplify after that, no? So pinakasagot na natin is 8 minus 9a squared divided by 6a squared b. Hindi natin pwedeng i-cancel yan kasi wala tayong, this is one term, no? So kanina pwede tayong mag-cancel because of multiplication. Pag multiplication sa taas, multiplication sa baba, at pwede kang mag-cancel, pwede maka-cancel mo siya. But this is subtraction, so you have to be careful. Hindi natin pwedeng i-cancel itong a squared. This is subtraction, no? Kung may i-factor ka dyan, pwede may i-factor out, and then you cancel with the variable doon sa denominator. Pero kung hindi mo siya pwedeng i-factor, hindi pwede yun, no? Next, we have, by the way, ito yung rules natin, no? Yung kung napanood nyo yung previous video. Ayan pa siya, factor each denominator completely, use exponent notation for repeated factors, no? Kaya kailangan naka-exponent siya. And then, write the product of all the different factors that appear in the denominator. And then, sa bawat factor, we get the highest factor, no, that appears. Yun yung with the largest exponent. Ito yung kanina sinabi natin. Okay, so this time, yung 6 tsaka 8, anong LCM yan? So 6 and 8, I think obvious. This is obvious to some, no? But this is 24, no? Pero kung kalimutan nyo na, you can use the ladder method. So divided by 2, magiging 3, magiging 4. No? And then we divide again by 2. Kailangan prime numbers lahat ang matira. So 3, pag hindi pwede, 3 divided by 2. If it's not possible, if may remainder, just copy. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. Pag prime na lahat, you multiply 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. This is 4 times 3. It's 12 times 2, 24. So, 24 yung ating LCM. This is minus over 24. Siguro dito tayo sa baba para meron tayong space. So, this is over 24 minus over 24. So, 24 divided by 6 is, this is 4, no? Times y plus 1, multiply natin sa numerator, y plus 1. And then minus 24 divided by 8 is 3 times y minus 3. And then we have, pwede na natin pagsamahin, same denominator na siya. So magiging over 24 and 4y plus 1 minus 3 times y minus 2. Na medyo nakakalito yan, yung mga signs, so you have to be careful. And by the way, this is the entire term. Sorry, 4y plus 1. 4 times quantity y plus 1 pala yan. So, simplifying, we have distributing 4 and 3, we have 4y plus 4, no? Then minus 3y plus 3. Marami nagkakamali dyan. So, kung gusto nyo, pwede nyo gamitin yung rule na 8 minus b is the same as a plus negative b. Pwede natin siya i-plus, and then i-negative natin yung 3. Plus negative 3 times y minus 3. Or kung gusto nyo, para parehong plus negative, magpa-plus negative na rin tayo dito sa loob. Okay? Para puro plus. So, over 24. So, wala tayong problema dito kasi plus siya. So, this is 4y plus 4. Then, what is negative 3 times y? This is negative 3y. This is plus negative 3y. And then, what is negative 3? Magpa-plus tayo dito. What is negative 3 times negative 3? That's 9 over 24. And then 4y plus negative 3y is the same as 4y minus 3y. So, matitira na lang dyan is y. And then yung 4 plus 9 is 13. Y plus 13 over 24. Okay. So, ito na yung pinakasagot natin. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, medyo marami tayong skill na kailangan dito, no? Dapat marunong tayo mag-divide ng monomials, mag-factor, no? Yung laws of exponent, distributive property. So parang ito na yung yung fractions ng LCM pinag-aaralan natin. Halos ito na yung mga napag-aaralan natin previously sa algebra. So walang shortcut niyan, there's no shortcut. So kailangan nyo talagang aralin yung mga steps. So if you have to repeat watching the videos, just repeat para mas ma-practice nyo pa. Okay, so gusto ko i-invite sa ating Facebook page at ating YouTube channel, no? Hanapin nyo na sa YouTube yung Sipnayan, no? O kaya punta kayo sa ating website, sipnayan.com. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.